Did you know that over 40% of cars on the road today are running with at least one faulty sensor that reduces fuel economy by up to 20%? That means you could be wasting hundreds of dollars every single year just because a tiny sensor isn't doing its job. In fact, studies show that Americans waste an estimated 3 billion gallons of fuel every year simply because of malfunctioning or dirty sensors. In this video, we're uncovering the 7 sensors that directly impact fuel efficiency and how they work, so you'll know exactly what to check before wasting another drop of gas. And stick around until the end, because the last sensor we reveal is often the most overlooked one, and fixing it could instantly save you a tank of gas every month. Let's dive in. Number 7. Oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor is one of the most critical components for controlling fuel efficiency. It's mounted in the exhaust system and monitors the oxygen levels in the gases after combustion. Its readings allow the ECU to determine whether the engine is burning fuel too rich or too lean. The ECU constantly adjusts the fuel injectors. If the O2 sensor becomes clogged with carbon or fails, the ECU gets inaccurate data and may inject too much fuel. This not only increases fuel consumption by as much as 20 to 30%, but also causes rough idle and higher emissions. Cleaning an O2 sensor is tricky because it's very delicate. First, remove it carefully using an O2 sensor socket. Spray it lightly with a specialized O2 sensor safe cleaner or carb cleaner. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. If cleaning doesn't restore performance, replacement is the best option. A clean sensor ensures your ECU gets accurate fuel mixture feedback. Number 6. Mass airflow sensor. Next up, the mass airflow sensor, or MAF, which is usually found right after your air filter. Its job is to measure the amount of air entering the engine. Unlike the oxygen sensor, which looks at exhaust gases after combustion, this information is critical because the ECU uses it to decide how much fuel should be injected. If the MAF sensor gets clogged with dust, dirt, or oil, that can make your engine run too rich or too lean and directly lowers fuel efficiency. A simple cleaning with MAF sensor cleaner can often restore it to like-new performance and instantly improve gas mileage. To clean it, disconnect the MAF sensor, remove it carefully, and spray the sensor elements with MAF cleaner spray only. Let it air dry fully before reinstalling. Cleaning a dirty MAF every 10,000 to 15,000 miles can restore smooth acceleration and boost fuel efficiency by 10 to 15%. Number 4. Throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor is like a translator between your right foot and the engine computer. Every time you press the gas pedal, the TPS tells the ECU how wide the throttle plate has opened. A properly functioning TPS gives you smooth acceleration and efficient fuel usage. But when it goes bad, the ECU can get confused. It might think you're flooring the gas when you're barely pressing it. This results in jerky acceleration, poor fuel economy, and hesitation when you press the gas. Replacing or adjusting this sensor keeps your car responsive. In short, the TPS keeps your engine and your foot on the same page. Number 3. Engine coolant temperature sensor. Here's a sensor that's often underestimated, the coolant temperature sensor. When your engine is cold, it burns more fuel to warm up quickly. The engine temperature coolant sensor tells the ECU exactly when the engine has reached the right temperature. If the ECT sensor fails and constantly signals that the engine is cold, this can reduce fuel economy by 15 to 20% and also cause black smoke from the exhaust due to unburnt fuel. The car may struggle to start or misfire. A properly functioning ECT sensor ensures the engine burns fuel efficiently during every phase of driving. Number 2. NOx sensor. The NOx sensor might not sound fuel-related at first, but it's critical. Its job is to detect engine knock, a rattling or pinging caused by abnormal combustion. Knocking not only damages the engine, but also forces the ECU to adjust ignition timing, which can reduce efficiency. A healthy NOx sensor allows the ECU to fine-tune timing so the engine runs at peak power while burning fuel cleanly. Drivers may notice sluggish performance, lower MPG, and even a glowing check engine light. By replacing a faulty NOx sensor, while also protecting the heart of your engine. It's the quiet guardian keeping your fuel use under control. Number 1. Fuel pressure sensor. The fuel pressure sensor monitors the pressure in the fuel rail, ensuring that fuel injectors deliver the correct amount of fuel into the combustion chamber. If pressure is too low, injectors may not spray enough fuel, causing lean misfires and power loss. If pressure is too high, injectors may deliver excess fuel, making the engine run rich and burn more gas than needed. The ECU uses this sensor to make real-time adjustments by controlling the fuel pump or pressure regulator. A failing fuel pressure sensor can cause rough idling, hard starts, poor acceleration, and significant drops in fuel economy. In modern direct injection engines, this sensor is especially critical, since precise fuel delivery at high pressure is required. To clean your fuel pressure sensor, remove it carefully and spray the tip with electrical contact cleaner only. Also, check fuel lines and filters, because contamination there can quickly foul the sensor again. In many cases, replacing the fuel filter is just as important as cleaning the sensor. So there you have it, the 7 key sensors that directly control your car's fuel efficiency. All of these sensors work together to make sure your car burns fuel only when it needs to, and in the exact amount required. The next time your fuel economy drops suddenly, don't just blame the gas station. Check these hidden heroes first. Keeping them clean or replacing them when faulty can instantly bring your mileage back and save you money every time you drive.